Okay, so all you need is this one set of weights. I have a 5-pound weight, or you could just use your body weight and that's it, and just roll out your mat. All right, so let's begin. We're gonna start on our backs. Practice your arms up near your shoulders, and we're just gonna windshield wiper those knees, loosening up that back. That should feel nice. Continuing to breathe throughout the practice. There's a great mindfulness moment during Pilates as well. Just helps you feel centered. Now have both knees stacked on top of each other towards your right. Head to the opposite side, to the left. And you can bring that right arm to meet your left. And then open out. Arm up. Arm back to meet that right one. Stretch open. Now switch sides, bringing both the knees up together. Over to the right side. Head to the left. Feel that nice spinal release. Now taking that left arm over to meet that. Your right. Opening up. Back. And open. One more time. Open. Now bring your knees back to the center. Place them down. Arms down by your side. We're going to start with some pelvic tucks. Just as you're inhaling also. Belly button imprinting on the mat. And rolling, rocking back up. Belly button down. Imprinting. So you have feeling your whole back down. Back up, releasing. Then you have a nice space there, and just exaggerating that move. Keep going. We'll just do 2 more like this. All right, now we're gonna take our left foot into tabletop, our knee, and followed by your other one. Okay? Now we're just gonna one down, then the other, and back up. Having a nice neutral spine, so there just be a little space in between your lower back and the mat. Making sure that your ribs are not flaring out and they are down against the mat. So you're not arching up like this. Just engaging those nice abs. Now we'll do one more like this, marching, and then we're going to hold our knees up. Okay. Then you're just going to, your knee out, straight, then back in. Just bring it out to about 45 degrees and back in, left, and in, right, and in. Still making sure that those ribs are not flaring out and you have that nice neutral spine. And if this is too much for you, just do the knees. You can go back to the toe taps. Listening to your body, and the more you do your Pilates, the stronger your body gets. This is your workout. Now you can put your knees back down. Feet hips width apart. We're going to go into some shoulder bridges. So arms down by your side. Remember those pelvic tilts we did? We're going to go into that. We're going to articulate our spine 1 vertebrae up to your shoulders. And then back down. Articulating each way. Make sure those ribs are not flaring out. Paying attention to those nice core muscles you have there as well. and pressing in to your heels. You should feel this in your glutes and your hamstrings. After this one, you're going to stay lifted in the air. And now we're going to do those marches again. So we don't want our hips to move. So right, up, down, left, up, down. So just trying to keep those hips from rocking. So you don't want to be doing this when we're going up. All right, gently go back down. You can hold your knees in. Nice little squeeze, do a little rocking from side to side. Now we're going to stay up. Now you're going to go into a C curve. Hands on your shin. And just tuck and think of a cupping motion. And back up. And when you come up, just extend your spine up to get that, you find that length. Now as we come down, you're going to twist, arm out, back in, open that up to the side and come back in. Can you go a little farther down? Back on up. And we're going to go ahead and take a weight too. Curve down. Okay. And now we're going to go into our quadruped on all fours. And take a little cat-cow, get a nice release there. Arm up, we're going to thread the needle, so right arm to the ceiling. Now threading it through and back on up. Remembering still to breathe. Now we're going to switch. We're going to do 3 releases here. Nice. So we're going to go into a kneeling position. So on one knee, I'm going to go on my left knee, hand straight, and take that right leg out straight. Okay. Right arm out, up to the ceiling. Now we're going to do some leg lifts. Remembering to engage your abs here. You can feel this in your glutes. One more like this. Now we're going to do some circles. So up to the front and back. These little circles are no joke. Woo. Now reverse it. All right, now down. Arm out over your head. Now we're going to put that leg back up and we're just going to come in. Bringing that knee and your elbow towards each other, making sure that that hip stays lifted. Now out, just some pulses. Nice. Foot down. And now you're just going to come back onto your hips. Look at that. We're already halfway done. Just kind of go back and forth here. Give those hips a nice little quick massage. Now we're going to go into the other side. So we're on that right knee, left foot out. Right hand under that shoulder. Left arm up to the ceiling. Lifting that leg to hip height. We're doing our lower and lifts here. Making sure that you're engaged so that you're lifted, right? Activating those obliques. Now remember those circles, forward. And they're not super big circles, okay? Whew. All right, now reverse. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it. All right, down. One more arm out. Lift it. All right, hold it up, now pulsing. Ooh, nice, down. All right. Now we're gonna go into a child's pose. Just stretch them back, knees out, chest down. Okay, you can roll on up.